If a prophet or dreamer appears among you and performs a sign or wonder, but then says, "Let us follow other gods," you must not listen. The Lord your God is testing you to see if you truly love him with all your heart and soul. Follow the Lord your God, revere him and obey his commands. Do not be swayed by those who try to turn you away. Even if it is your own family or closest friend who entices you to worship other gods, do not yield to them. Show them no pity. You must put them to death, for they have tried to lead you astray from the Lord your God. Stone them to death so that all of Israel may hear and be afraid, and no one will commit such evil again. If troublemakers arise in one of the towns the Lord your God has given you, leading the people astray to worship other gods, you must thoroughly investigate. If it is true, you must put to the sword all who live in that town. Destroy it completely. Burn it as an offering to the Lord your God. Let it remain a ruin forever, never to be rebuilt. By obeying the Lord your God and doing what is right in his eyes, he will show you mercy and compassion. He will increase your numbers, fulfilling his promise to your ancestors. So stay faithful and follow his commands.